Hello everyone, I am Achyut Dupare, Senior Engineer at 𝗩𝗥 Technologies. So as we know, world is growing with the digitization. Here we have the Industry 4.0 Product Conclave event. In this event, we are going to present the AR, VR and MR, augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality concept. So we are having the multiple use cases where we are presenting and giving the training to the manufacturing industries peoples. So here we can see the one use case. We can see over here the digital safety training under the VR, virtual reality. We have created a use case where we are generating the fire and we are training operators and the shop floor peoples. Instead of creating a new scenario of a fire, we will give them training with this use case. I'll show you the live demo how we are going to extinguish the fire in a particular factory with this use case. So we will go forward now. As you can see over in this screen, you can see the visualizations which I'm examining and which I'm looking for right now. So this is the platform and the use case. We have created one setup with a factory. You can see some kind of machines, CNC machines are placed on the floor. You can see there is a fireplace happened on that particular panel, and the use case, the training for the VR, for the fire training, we have created the multiple steps. So under that each and every step, you can see the first step where we have to go, you have to inform to the people that there is a fire scenario happened on a shop floor. First step, then second step. First is the emergency switch. You have to press the emergency switch and you have to convey to everyone that there is a fire happened on the floor. Then you have to inform to the respective people. Third step, you can see there is a fire extinguisher placed on a floor. So that fire extinguisher you have to take, then you have to move towards the location where the fire is happening. At that place, you have to go, you have to extinguish the fire, and you can verify there the timeline, how much time you are consuming to extinguish the fire over here with this use case. So we will execute one by one. You can see over here, I'm going on the footprint where it is located. First, I'm pressing this pull down switch. Okay, so the attention is alarm is triggered. Now I'm going to collect the phone. I'm informing to the respective people. I have grabbed the mobile, I have informed them. Then I'm going for the third step. Now I'm going to take this fire extinguisher. I'm going to grab it. Yes. So you can see the fire extinguisher is in my hand. So I have to look for the place where the fire is there. So I'm in the footprint now. Okay. So this is now I'm going to pull out the pin. I have taken out the pin from the fire extinguisher. Now I have to look. I have to extinguish the fire now. I have released the fire extinguisher. You can see the time is running over there. I have to go for the exit. So I reach my place. You can see over there the fire extinguished within 16 seconds. The the finished time is 1 minute and 34 seconds. So extinguishing remaining is 70%. So here we can see the fire safety training for the peoples who are new in a company. They are not aware actually. Every time in a company, we can't create the real-time scenario or we can't train the peoples on a real-time incident. So instead of that, what we are doing is we have created this use case under the virtual reality where people can see, people can feel the exact fire, exact the training steps, the guidance for them. They can wear these assets and they can work on this, how we can resolve the fire within a quick time. So likewise trainings we can provide to the people, shop floor operators, all the people around your peoples. No need to create the real-time fire, and we can, with the help of this use case, we can train the peoples. So this is one way of digitization where Industry 4.0 giving multiple solutions in AR, VR and MR sector. Thank you.